Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to wear shoes untied. These will be easy steps in a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As I said before, you want to wear your shoes untied. This is the video for you. Easy steps in a full tutorial. So these shoes right now are tied up. I'm going to show you how to wear them untied. It's a little bit of a looser feel. You can slide your foot in and out more easily, and you never have to tie your shoes again. Okay, so there's a way to do it where you tie your shoes, where you tie your laces together underneath the tongue of the shoe, but technically you're still tying the laces together. I'm going to show you how to wear them untied where you don't tie the laces together, okay? So very, very, very easy. If I'm going to undo this knot over here, you want your laces hanging freely, okay? Now the first method is to stretch out the laces and evenly distribute them. And you want to evenly distribute them to the point where the lace just hangs out about, I'd say about an inch or so. An inch and a half. So you want to bring your laces to the point where they hang out just like that. So this is just dangling on the side, okay? And we're going to do the same thing with the other side over here. This is just dangling out on the side over here. Leave the edges of your laces out like that. And then what you want to do is hold those edges so they don't move and just pull the shoe apart. And that's going to evenly distribute the laces throughout the shoe. So you want to, you can manually do it too. So I'm going to take this extra lace over here, and I'm just going to be basically pulling it down. So I'm just going to be making its way downward. So I'm going to pull this in like this. I'm going to pull this in like this as well. I'm just pulling the laces so that they're evenly distributed, and it's not all bunched up with the extra lace at the top. Okay, just make its way down to the basically to the lower portion of the shoe. Okay, and essentially when you do that, you're going to evenly distribute the laces. Like I said, I'm just pulling on them like that until it's roughly evenly distributed, until they are roughly evenly distributed. Then I'm going to open this up, and right now I can slide my foot in and out. But that is the inferior method. It's faster, but it's inferior. What I do recommend is instead, you pull the laces out a little bit more, and you want to tie a knot within each lace in itself. So this lace right here, I'm going to tie a knot, and number one, that's going to eat up a bit more of the lace, so it won't be as loose, because you don't want it to be too loose, right? So it's going to eat up a little bit more of the lace, but I'm going to tie a knot, and I'll tell you about another cool feature of this. So I'm going to tie a knot within this lace itself. So I'm just taking this lace end over here on the top of the shoe off of one side, and I'm going to tie a knot, and I'm letting it hang out, I don't know, a couple inches. And now, that lace is not going to go through, so I don't have to worry about it pulling through. And I can do the same thing with the other side. Tie a knot within that lace itself. Sorry about the poor camera angle here, I do apologize. Tie a knot within the lace itself, okay? Let it hang out about, I don't know, an inch and a half, something like that. And then that lace is no longer going to be able to be pulled into the shoe. And then evenly distribute the rest of the laces. So now I'm evenly distributing the rest of the laces. And right now what I've done is I've secured the lace ends so that they can't go in. Okay, and you can obviously do it less or more. You can make them hang out less or more, so you can customize how much you want that shoe to open up, how loose you want the shoe to be. In addition to that, what you can do is you can actually tie a cool knot in this. So it doesn't just have to be a single overhand knot like I tied. You can tie like a really interesting looking knot at the edge of the lace. You can tie like 10 knots and make it look, like it was like sort of like braided down there. It's up to you, but that's another cool feature of this. But that's it. That is essentially how to wear shoes untied. Easy steps in a full tutorial for wearing your shoes and having the laces be untied. If you like this video tutorial, this video instructional tutorial, whatever you want to call it, this instructional video tutorial, if you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.